Genome Project ran from October 1990 to April of 2003, and during this time, they generated the first ever sequence of the human genome. The human genome is the blueprint for us. It is a guide for every single protein that is made. And this is important because proteins are the building blocks of life. They're the reason any action in our body occurs. Now, proteins are made of amino acids, but by working backwards through translation, transcription, it originates in DNA. Now, the Human Genome Project kickstarted a lot of new discoveries in the world of proteomics, or the study of proteins. One thing being the Human Proteome Project. The Human Proteome Project was started in hopes to find the proteome complement to the genome. That means that they wanted to find every single protein that is coded by our DNA. And as of April 2023, they have discovered 18,397 proteins out of the predicted 19,778. That means that 93.01% of the human proteome is discovered. Pretty cool, right? One of the applications of the Human Proteome Project is to find more accurate biomarkers. Biomarkers are certain characteristics in your body that can tell us if you're going to have a disease or not. Now, this is usually seen as either a scarcity or a surplus of a certain protein, and they can tell us early detection, early diagnosis, and ultimately a solution for a disease. Because by finding exactly what protein is occurring and what is happening, we can then target that with medication. For example, C-reactive protein, also known as CRP, is a biomarker for inflammation, and it can tell us if someone has an autoimmune disease, an infection, or a cardiovascular disease. And this is the future of cancer research, because by finding more accurate biomarkers for certain cancers, we can then do early detection and diagnosis of that a lot sooner before it gets into the later phases. Not only is it helpful for early detection, it can also help us find a solution by finding exactly what proteins are doing what in your body and then targeting those by different medications. Thank you.